Hello everyone, in this video we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to use the multi-field formula tool. So we will first go to this in out tab. We have to connect the data, drag this input data tool into the canvas first. Now we have to connect it with the data. I will close this particular new workflow number 4. So it says that you have to connect it with a file. So I will connect it with a file. It will redirect us to the data connection window. So I'll select this Office City Sales file. Now it will ask you to select a sheet from this particular file. So there is only one sheet in this particular Excel file. Okay. Now the preview is available over here. You can't run. So that the data is going to available in the results workflow. Here you can see the results workflow. Yeah. So we can add any type of numbers to this Office Sales. If you want to add the number to the Office Sales, we can add with the help of the tool named as multi-field formula. So I'll go here, I'll connect it with the multi-field formula. Now it says that numeric, so the data which we have imported, I'll show you the data. So these are the numerical values, state code and Office Sales. So I'll add any type of number with this Office Sales. Other data is element text. So I'll select this particular Office Sales. I'll deselect this. I'll go to this current tab. Now I'll select this current field. So over here you can find out that in the expressions the formula is being applied to the current field which we have selected, that is your Office Sales. So I'll just type plus 20 and I'll just click on run. So Office Sales, whatever data will be loaded in the input data tool or whatever data will be taken at the input, so that is different, and at the output you will be seeing it is added with 20. So over here you can see that whatever data is there, so it is 100, 200, 300, 150. So now we have added 20 in this particular Office Sales. For every field we have added, there are 18 records and there are 6 columns, 6 fields. So when I click on the input anchor, so you can see that there is 100, 200, 300, 150, and when I click on the output anchor, you can see this 120, 220, 320, all the values are now changed because we have added 20 in this. So I hope you have understood how to use the multi-field formula tool. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.